Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about ProPhase Labs, and what you can see on your screen is a longer term trend of this particular script, and it has started moving up in the longer term time frame. So we are going to discuss about the trend and the levels which the stock could probably see in the days as well as in the months to come. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the upcoming notification of my videos. Okay, so here we have your trend. Here is the trend, and it's actually very easy to understand in this case. Let me tell you why. Because we have a previous trend, and afterwards the stock went into a consolidation. So here you can see that from 1995 till 1997 the stock actually risen up by 75,000%. So this kind of rise is extraordinary, and after 1997 the stock has been consolidated inside a range for a period of probably 22 years. So these kind of, first of all, understand that if the stock having these kind of consolidation which probably goes for such a long time, then you must understand one thing: you should not go beyond the range, beyond the trading range. In this case, this is the trading range, this entire highlighted area. You should not go beyond this range, okay, either on the upside or on the downside, unless the stock is guiding you that there is a breakout or breakdown which is about to happen. So let the stock makes it move, and then we are going to say that okay, now the breakout or breakdown has happened, now we are going to act accordingly. Until then, you have your trading range and you should stick inside the range. Accordingly, what you have right now is 5.04 will be your first line of support. Then below that you have 3.1 as your next support. Then you have 1.54. Then you have 1.25. Then you have 0.66, and the lower support comes at 0.51. Okay, so I have explained all the support levels which one could see and use for short, intermediate as well as for the long term. On the upside, you have your first target or resistance at $6.9 on the upside, and if it successfully crosses and sustain over 6.9 or $7, then you have your next target directly at 17.15 on the upside and $24 afterwards. So this is the big range what you need to look at in this particular script, and do not simply think or go beyond either $24 on the upside or $0.5 on the downside. So let the stock either makes a breakout above this level or makes a breakdown below 0.51, then you will decide okay, this is the trend. Until then, you have your big resistance at $24 and big support at 0.5, and the stock, the probability is very high that the stock will move inside this range. So you should stick with the plan, and most importantly, understand your risk level. Put your support and resistance accordingly, and you should know how much risk you need to take and what is the profit you are looking for. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.